He said early afternoon, whatever that means.
Early afternoon is 11.
I think it's after 12.
Shut up.
We got a hit and ladies and gentlemen.
What?
It's about time.
I know, right? Like, what's the last generation I heard? What?
Dang.
Why?
Wow.
I just... Guy instantly didn't know what happened to him. Okay,
Yeah?
that works. I just want to send the bird. I don't want to do this.
Oh, we
There's
got
a bird.
Yes.
What?
No,
There's no way. He was
What?
on. He was on like Kakashi, and then he like hit midair and I died.
Bro, we could have had this.
Yeah, that was
Come on.
Just do that 4 more times. You can do it because he's being an idiot. What did I do?
What?
Oh.
I can't believe-